5 passive income ideas that will make you money while you sleep. In the quest for financial freedom, passive income plays a crucial role. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income streams allow you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Here are 5 passive income ideas that can help you build wealth while you sleep. 1. Dividend stocks. Overview. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the most popular methods of generating passive income. These stocks pay you a portion of the company's earnings on a regular basis, typically quarterly. How it works. Research and invest. Choose companies with a history of paying consistent and growing dividends. Reinvest dividends. Consider reinvesting dividends to buy more shares, which can increase your income over time. Pros: regular income from dividends. Potential for stock value appreciation. Cons: requires initial capital investment. Stock prices can fluctuate, affecting your overall returns. 2. Real estate rentals. Overview. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. By renting out residential or commercial real estate, you can earn monthly rent payments. How it works. Purchase property. Invest in real estate in a desirable location. Rent out. Either manage the property yourself or hire a property management company. Pros: steady cash flow from rent. Property can appreciate over time. Cons: requires significant upfront investment, property management and maintenance responsibilities. 3. Create an online course. Overview. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses. How it works. Develop content. Create comprehensive course material, including videos, quizzes, and assignments. Publish and promote. Upload your course to a platform and market it to your target audience. Pros: potential for high returns with minimal ongoing effort. Scalable income potential. Cons: requires initial time investment to create high-quality content, competition with other course creators. 4. Affiliate marketing. Overview. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to monetize a blog, website, or social media presence. How it works. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Promote products. Use your platform to share affiliate links and drive traffic to the merchant sites. Pros: low startup costs. Potential to earn commissions passively. Cons: requires ongoing content creation and promotion. Earnings depend on the performance of your marketing efforts. 5. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Overview. Building a successful blog or YouTube channel can generate passive income through ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. How it works. Choose a niche. Focus on a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Create content. Regularly post engaging and valuable content. Monetize. Use ad networks, affiliate links, and sponsorships to earn money. Pros: flexibility in content creation. Multiple monetization avenues. Cons: requires consistent content creation and promotion. Takes time to build a substantial audience. Each of these passive income ideas has its own set of advantages and challenges, but with careful planning and effort, they can provide a steady stream of income over time. Consider starting with one or a combination of these ideas to build your passive income portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And feel free to drop a comment below with any ideas or topics you'd like to see in future videos.